South Korea. Gwangmyeong City, home to Kia's most historic and storied manufacturing facility. Founded in 1973, this plant transformed from bicycle production to one of Asia's most advanced automotive facilities. Every Sportage Hybrid begins its journey with precision-graded high-strength steel, arriving at Gwangmyeong. Advanced servo presses shape Sportage body panels with micron-level precision. Each Sportage Hybrid requires 64 precisely formed panels, produced in perfect sequence. The iconic boomerang design element begins as a precision-pressed feature in raw steel. IoT-connected logistics systems route panels with AI-optimized timing to assembly stations.
The body-in-white station welds over 4,000 structural points, creating Sportage's safety architecture.
Cobot systems work millimeters from human quality monitors, combining automation and expertise. Synchronized welding robots complete Sportage's body structure in under 3 minutes. Laser metrology verifies every structural dimension to 0.05 millimeter accuracy. Structural adhesive supplements spot welds, adding rigidity and acoustic dampening simultaneously. Kia's 5-coat water-based paint system reduces VOC emissions by 40% versus traditional methods. Zinc phosphate crystallization creates the molecular foundation for lasting corrosion protection. Electrocoating provides 10-year corrosion protection, reaching every interior cavity and crevice. AI-optimized paint robots apply base coat with electrostatic precision, achieving 96% efficiency. Electrostatic atomization aligns metallic flake orientation for extraordinary depth in Aurora Black.
Machine learning algorithms continuously refine paint paths, ensuring identical quality on every Sportage.
Triple-layer clear coat provides UV protection and extraordinary reflective depth for Kia's premium finish. Computer-controlled infrared ovens cure each paint layer at exact temperatures, optimizing adhesion. Artificial intelligence vision systems inspect paint finish across 800 quality checkpoints. Trained inspectors complement AI systems, providing sensory quality verification for premium finish. Kia's dedicated hybrid battery assembly zone operates under strict climate and static control. The HEV battery's 1.49 kilowatt-hour capacity begins with individually tested lithium-ion polymer cells. The PHEV variant's 13.8 kilowatt-hour battery provides 32 miles of electric-only range. The battery management system monitors every cell individually, ensuring safety and optimal performance. Every battery pack undergoes complete charge-discharge cycle validation before vehicle installation approval. The 1.6-liter turbocharged engine is prepared with hybrid motor integration interfaces. The 44.2 kilowatt electric motor mounts directly to the gasoline engine for seamless integration. The complete hybrid powertrain delivers 226 combined horsepower from 3 integrated units. Orange high-voltage harnesses follow protective pathways with triple insulation and safety verification. The complete hybrid powertrain weighs 450 kilograms and integrates with precision mounting. Laser-guided positioning ensures precise powertrain mounting within 1 millimeter tolerance. Computer-verified torque tools confirm every powertrain mount to exact Newton-meter specifications. Available AWD adds a rear electric motor for intelligent torque distribution across all 4 wheels. Front MacPherson and rear multi-link suspension deliver Sportage's refined ride and handling balance. Hybrid suspension tuning compensates for battery weight, ensuring balanced handling dynamics. Electric power steering integrates with Highway Driving Assist 2 for semi-autonomous capability.
Interior assembly integrates Kia's Opposites United design philosophy with advanced hybrid technology.
Multiple acoustic layers ensure Sportage Hybrid's remarkably quiet cabin at all driving speeds. The dual 12.3-inch panoramic display installs as one seamless curved glass module. Kia's digital interface displays real-time hybrid energy flow and connected services simultaneously. Available Nappa leather seats with heating, ventilation, and 12-way power adjustment elevate daily comfort. Advanced pre-tensioner and load limiter systems protect occupants in frontal and side impact events.
The headliner integrates panoramic sunroof, ambient lighting, and overhead sensor systems.
Available Harman Kardon 8-speaker system delivers premium audio tuned specifically for Sportage's cabin.
The floating center console integrates wireless charging, drive selector, and terrain control systems. The flat-bottom steering wheel integrates capacitive controls for audio, ADAS, and drive mode functions. The windshield integrates forward collision camera, requiring factory-calibrated ADAS positioning.
Structural urethane adhesive creates watertight seal and contributes to body rigidity. Door panels integrate soft-touch materials, ambient lighting, and speaker grills in single assembly. Safe Exit Assist radar detects approaching vehicles and resists door opening to prevent accidents.
The completed interior reflects Kia's Opposites United philosophy, uniting premium comfort with hybrid innovation. Kia Connect provides always-on connectivity, enabling over-the-air software updates throughout ownership.
The Tiger Nose grille integrates radar sensor and camera, while defining Kia's signature design identity.
The distinctive boomerang LED pattern creates Kia's unmistakable lighting signature day and night.
LED main beams with adaptive turning function optimize road illumination in all driving conditions.
Hybrid-specific low rolling resistance tires optimize fuel efficiency while maintaining all-weather safety ratings.
Star pattern simultaneous torquing ensures even clamping force for rotor flatness and braking safety. The Sportage Hybrid stands on its own wheels for the first time as assembly nears completion. The Smart Power liftgate opens hands-free using foot kick detection below the rear bumper.
The connected rear LED light bar creates Sportage's distinctive modern identity from every angle.
Sequential turn signals animate outward from center, creating dynamic rear lighting signature. Automated fluid filling systems ensure precise levels for optimal hybrid thermal management performance. Hybrid system activation follows strict safety protocols with sequential relay closure verification.
Kia's diagnostic system programs all vehicle control modules and activates hybrid system strategies. 800 quality inspection checkpoints are verified using AI vision and laser scanning systems.
Human inspectors verify final panel gaps to exacting specifications, complementing automated systems. Every mechanical function undergoes 30-cycle verification, confirming operation quality and feel. Comprehensive electrical testing verifies all 70+ control modules, from hybrid to infotainment. EV mode verification confirms silent electric-only operation at low speeds with energy recovery active. Regenerative braking recovery is verified at multiple deceleration rates, confirming energy capture performance. Computer-controlled alignment verification ensures optimal tire wear and handling efficiency for hybrid range. Forward radar and camera calibration ensures Highway Driving Assist 2 operates with centimeter accuracy. High-pressure water testing verifies all weather seals against heavy rain and car wash conditions.
Interior verification during water testing confirms every seal maintains completely dry cabin conditions. Dynamometer testing validates combined hybrid power output and efficiency across the operating range. The final quality gate confirms every Sportage Hybrid meets Kia's global quality standards before approval. Digital quality records create permanent traceability, linking inspection results to each individual vehicle.
The fuel economy sticker confirms Sportage HEV's industry-leading 38 mpg combined rating.
Transport protective film prevents paint damage during shipping from Korea to global dealerships. VIN verification links every Sportage to its complete manufacturing history and component traceability. Climate-controlled enclosed transporters carry Sportage Hybrids to Incheon Port for global export.
From Incheon Port, Kia Sportage Hybrids begin their journey to customers in 180 countries.
Multi-point securing systems protect every vehicle during ocean passages to global destinations.
Carrying Kia's reputation for quality and innovation, each vessel departs for markets worldwide.
Under Kia's premium showroom lighting, Opposites United design creates immediate visual impact.
Every interaction reflects Kia's commitment to premium tactile quality throughout the ownership experience. The panoramic display and glass sunroof create an immersive environment combining technology and openness.
Kia specialists ensure owners understand every hybrid feature, maximizing ownership satisfaction.
The silent hybrid startup signals the beginning of efficient, connected electric mobility.
The test drive reveals Sportage Hybrid's remarkable combination of efficiency and dynamic performance.
226 combined horsepower delivers genuinely engaging performance with exceptional efficiency.
Intelligent hybrid management routinely achieves over 40 miles per gallon in real-world conditions.
PHEV owners enjoy 32 miles of pure electric driving, charged overnight at home.
In electric mode, Sportage PHEV achieves 8 to 4 miles per gallon equivalent efficiency.
Highway Driving Assist 2 provides confident lane centering and speed management on compatible highways.
Multi-terrain AWD intelligently distributes hybrid power for optimal traction on every surface type. In daily commuting, Sportage Hybrid delivers up to 38 mpg, combined for extraordinary fuel savings. Kia Connect enables remote climate preconditioning and comprehensive vehicle monitoring from anywhere.
The Smart Power liftgate opens automatically, enabling hands-free access when carrying groceries or gear.
Public Level 2 charging infrastructure extends PHEV electric range during longer daily driving.
Adjustable regenerative braking paddles maximize energy recovery, customized to individual driving preferences.
Sportage's aerodynamic coefficient of 0.33 reduces wind resistance, enhancing highway efficiency.
PHEV fast charging capability restores the battery to 80% in under 40 minutes. Sportage Hybrid owners save over $1,000 annually in fuel costs versus conventional competitors. Safe Exit Assist detects approaching cyclists and temporarily prevents door opening, preventing accidents.
In Aurora Black, Glacier White, Sage Green, and 8 additional colors, Sportage suits every lifestyle.
EV mode operation produces zero tailpipe emissions during urban driving, improving local air quality.
Kia's industry-leading 10-year powertrain warranty provides confidence throughout the ownership lifecycle. Kia's Gwangmyeong facility continues its evolution toward carbon-neutral manufacturing by 2035. Renewable energy integration reduces Gwangmyeong's carbon footprint, supporting Kia's sustainability commitments.
Continuous Kaizen improvement drives ongoing innovation at Gwangmyeong for future hybrid generations.
8,000 dedicated Gwangmyeong workers uphold Kia's commitment to quality and innovation daily.
The Sportage Hybrid badge represents Kia's commitment to accessible, beautiful, and efficient transportation.
From Gwangmyeong's smart factory to roads across 180 countries, the 2026 Kia Sportage Hybrid